Hey guys, Sergeant Dirtcraft here with another video showing you my main spawn of my new world. Well, actually the spawn right here. You can go up here. Well, my render distance like really low, so you can't really see anything. But then you would normally probably look here. Welcome to the awesome place called Sergeant's World. Tons of fun places to go. Here are some maps of places so far, and there isn't really anything. But the bad thing is you have to update the maps. Each of those green dots is each maps that I have so far at this spawn. Each map is there. Then more places. There's a village going straight that way. Then like snow biomes. More places. This one's more of like places that I'll build giant boats. And yeah, there's a little bit of land. And then more places. And this one's it has a lot of water in a small island. So, and then slash times 1800. Those turn on. And then there's beacons on top in case I ever get lost. And then I kind of build that over there. And then the underneath, I don't really like floaty stuff, so I put like support beams. And that is my world so far. And please comment what you want me to build next. I will build it. Tell me to build anything, I will almost build it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.